A landing page is the face of any project, and in this video I'll show you the best way to build a website page that looks both stunning and professional. Believe me, it's easier than you think. It all begins with choosing the right website builder for the job. Landing pages aren't complicated to build, but there are a lot of website builders out there. Some may blind you with choices, while others may waste your time with overcomplicated customization. In this video, I'll go with the option that balances simplicity and appearance. From my experience, hosting a website builder is one of the best for the job. It's one of the easiest website builders to use, and its affordability makes it great even for the smallest endeavors. If your plans are modest, the premium website builder plan offers the best price to value ratio. It has some storage and page limitations, but you can still build a great landing page with that plan. No problem here. That said, if you'd like more freedom, want to build an online store, and access advanced AI features, you can upgrade to the second plan at any time. If you're getting Hostinger, check the link in the description or scan this QR code for the best price possible. Now, if creativity and artistic expression matter more to you than affordability or simplicity, Squarespace Website Builder might be a better pick to consider. On top of hundreds of award-winning templates, Squarespace gives you more than enough opportunities to design a landing page of your dreams. And with my deals, Squarespace won't be a burden on your wallet. Scan this QR code or check the description to take advantage of my discount. When explaining how to create a landing page, I'll use a Hostinger tutorial as an example. As I mentioned earlier, it's one of the easiest website builders to start with. From its dashboard, I'll click on Websites, then Add Website, and select Hostinger Website Builder. Right now, Hostinger allows me to use its AI builder setup to generate a landing page from a single prompt, but I wouldn't suggest relying on AI alone. Instead, click on Pre-made Templates at the bottom, then choose Landing Pages in the category selection. Hostinger has about 20 of these, but I'm picking the one called Blick, since I want to show you how to combine template selection with AI generation. After you select a template, this prompt window will appear. Looks pretty simple, right? This is where you type what you need the landing page for, your business, what it's about, and any other important details. While there's a 700 character limit, remember that a concise explanation works better than over-explaining. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, Hostinger AI will build your site in about a minute tops. Don't like the result? Just generate again. The AI website builder tool works like that. Sometimes you'll have to try a few times to get a result you're happy with. But that doesn't mean we have to stop with the Hostinger website builder tutorial. From now on, we'll take the reins and edit this generated page to make it truly ours. We'll start by opening the Hostinger editor. You can see right away it relies on drag and drop controls and a grid system. Very beginner friendly. Often AI generation will keep the template logo on the page, so I'll remove it and replace it with my own logo. Now, if you don't have a logo but really want one, Hostinger's business plan includes another AI tool to help, a logo generator. Truth be told, there are a bunch of AI tools to play with that can generate images, write posts for you, and even assist with prompt crafting. I won't go too in depth here, but if you decide to get a business plan, there are dedicated guides for those features available on the website. Let's continue with our landing page. There's a lot you can change: colors, size of elements, their placement, and so on. Remember, you don't have to use the AI generation in the first place. You can always go back and try a different template as well. One thing any business needs is a contact form. So let's add it at the bottom of the page as usual. All the social links will go in the footer as well. By now your page is almost finished, although still a bit empty. But there are a few other things to do before we can get to publishing. First, you need to do search engine optimization, or SEO. Without it, people will have a hard time finding your landing page through search engines like Google. Usually SEO is done for each page, but since you only have one landing page, we'll be setting things up just once. Go to SEO settings. Start by adding your business or brand name, then continue with the meta title and description. These are the title and description of your web page that appear in Google search results. Afterwards, add some keywords, phrases people would use to find your website, and clean up your URL. That's how your page appears in the browser. And shorter, more concise URLs tend to look better and attract more clicks. If you have a business plan, a lot of this process can be simplified with AI-generated suggestions. But even without that, there are plenty of online tools that can help you with keyword research and metadata writing. The final step is publishing your website for the internet to see. This part is extremely easy. Just press Go Live in the editor. Just make sure the page looks good in both desktop and mobile view. However, to make your website truly complete, you'll need a separate domain for your landing page. To do that, click Connect a Domain at the top. With Hostinger, you get a free domain for a year, but keep in mind that longer billing periods renew at the standard price. So double check that before committing to a domain name. Here's the result of your hard work. A completed landing page with great visuals, personalized to your business or project. Hostinger makes it really easy to create an appealing and functional landing page. So if you want to grab it with a discount, check the link in the description for an exclusive deal. And while you're there, let me know if you want a separate tutorial on how to create a website with Squarespace. I might do it in the future. Thanks for watching, good luck with your website building efforts, and see you soon.